Okay, so I'm back here, Robert, once again, and welcome to the SFMA Take a Tour. So if you guys are ready, let's go ahead and get started. You should be able to see my pointer on screen. Okay, what I'm going to do is just give you a quick overview on our home page, and then we're going to go right into the live examples of the presentation pages, and we'll go right inside the members area. And lastly, I'm going to show you how this business works. So let's go ahead and get started. Let's go ahead and scroll down just a little bit, and you should be able to see this long list right here. That's what's included with our system. You can go ahead and read all this stuff on your own, but what I'm going to do is kind of explain what this business is as I am scrolling. This is you owning a social media marketing agency. So we teach you how it's done. We give you the presentation pages and sales pages and many more things that you guys need to succeed in this business, the complete training. So let's go ahead and take a look at that really quick. So I'm going to scroll down just a little bit here. And like I'm saying, you can watch these videos here and that shows you exactly how we train. But let's go ahead and scroll down just a little bit. Right here, you can see the presentation pages right there. And if I keep scrolling down, you can see right here more of the presentation pages, more of like kind of a close-up and what each niche is right there. So let's keep scrolling down just a little bit. And here is the new Fulfillment Service Center. So now we can create all the ads for you. You don't have to worry about trying to create the ads for your clients. We do Google ads, YouTube ads, Facebook ads, TikTok ads, social posts, and much more. Okay, so let's keep scrolling down just a little bit. You can see some of the sales pages right here. And just a little bit more. Here is the high converting forms right there. That's right. So this thing is jam-packed. You can see that. So it's not just a course. This is an interactive, downloadable course and system. Okay, here's the Facebook ad copy. Keep in mind, you don't have to run your own ads, but we do give you some Facebook ad copy as well as Google ad copy if you're interested in trying to create your own ads. Okay, so let's keep moving along here. We give you all the marketing scripts for doing email outreach. Right there, you can see that. And right here, we have a complete course on how to do outreach with a custom cold email software. Okay, so let's keep scrolling down. And as you can see, we have a LinkedIn outreach as well. So this thing is jam-packed. There's training after training. These are all individual courses. Okay. Okay, and so right here is the Facebook Ad Training Top Secret Masterclass. That's another course in itself. And one more here, the SFMA Training Academy, right there. And right here, you can actually see how the system works. This will give you more of an overview on what happens when a client calls you. You can actually see me closing some deals right there live on video. Okay, and we just keep scrolling down. We've got Q&A, and that's pretty much it. So let's go to the very top. Let's go ahead and scroll up, and we'll stop right about here. And let's go into some of the live examples. You can see right here, we are on one of the live presentation pages. So we give you these, and I'll show you in a second how you actually use these. So all you're going to do is send out your email script with this presentation page in there to your prospects, and then they see this, and then if they are interested in working with you, they will contact you by either a custom form, or they will just call you, or they will just book a call with you. So that's how that's done. Let's go ahead and look at the dental niche really quick. You can see that we have this one here. I do realize I am scrolling somewhat fast. I'm just trying to do a quick tour, and you can see that here. They're all custom made, and they're made for high conversion. So if you guys always wanted to be in this business, but you weren't really sure how it's done, well, this is how it's done right here with custom presentation pages, and we even give them the pricing packages right there. Okay, so one more. Let's go ahead and scroll up fairly fast and get right into the marketing for law firms. You can see that there. We'll go ahead and scroll down again. And this thing is jam-packed. And again, we have the pricing tables at the very bottom. Let me just come up on those right there. Okay, and that's the very bottom of the page. So if you guys are wondering by now what's going on, how does this system work, or what, one more thing I'll show you really quick, and then we'll go right into the members area. As you can see, I got some graphics up really quick here. Okay, so all you guys are doing is sending out an email script here where you see me pointing with the presentation page, and that's sent by email. They're going to book a call or use the contact form if they are interested in your services. So that's all you're doing. You're connecting yourself with clients that own a business. So you're trying to find the existing businesses out there and you're just sending them an email. That's all what social media marketing is. Many businesses need advertisement and they need somebody to do that for them. So you are positioning yourself in front of them at the right time and with a presentation page which gives you credibility in your business and makes you look like a professional. Okay, so that's how that works. So we're going to go ahead and scroll down, and you can see once they go ahead and send you everything and they've already purchased, you're going to get paid. It goes straight into the onboarding process, which is automated, and then an email is sent out and it goes straight to fulfillment. And then if they need Facebook ads, Google ads, YouTube ads, or whatever needs to get done, it's going to get done there. You don't have to create any of that. Okay, and you can see more of a close-up right there. Here is what's being done in the fulfillment center right there. Super easy to do. All you have to do is concentrate on sending out emails over and over to prospects that can possibly use you that are business owners. Again, you are finding existing businesses and connecting them with your social media marketing agency. Okay, so let's go ahead and look inside here. We're going to go right back here and we're going to go right into the members area. So you can see it says members area. We're inside. So you can see that inside the course, it's laid out pretty well. It's so easy to navigate. You have one navigation at the very top and one on the sidebar. So if I scroll down, you can see that they all light up. Now you might say to yourself, wow, there's not that many links to click on. Don't worry, when you click on one of those, they do expand. You can see I clicked on funnels and we have these three to choose from. So let's go ahead and click on dental and you can see what happens. This is the complete funnel for the dental niche. So what happens is you click that and you can see it says dental funnel downloads. But when we scroll down, this is the welcome video here, and it just gives you a quick overview. Let's go ahead and scroll down. You can see right here, it's going to go right into all the funnels inside, and you get your presentation page, landing page, onboarding pages, all this. And all this is done with WordPress and Elementor, so it's easy to actually use. We give you all the emails, so you can go ahead and start doing automation as well. And we actually teach you how to do it manually as well. So there's tons of training, LinkedIn, Facebook. I mean, this thing is jam-packed. So one more. Let's go ahead and look at this one here, which is your cold email outreach training. You can see that there. So we're going to scroll down. Again, all your navigation, every time you click on a page, they look exactly the same. Your navigation stays here. This changes, of course, and then all your videos will be at the bottom on the training. So if one's a download page, an interactive download, then you will just download. If they're videos, you click on them and they go full screen. This is going to teach you how to use the cold email outreach system. Okay, so super easy to do. So that's a quick overview on what's inside SFMA Profits course. And if you want to learn more, go ahead and look for the webinar link that should be in the description or floating on this page somewhere. And if it says webinar, that will take you to it. If not, you will find it in the description. Okay, so I will see you guys on the inside.